When I'm in the kitchen, you know you're gonna learn something and eat well at the same time. If you're new here, a little background, I am a seasoned chef, 16 years in the game, 6 years garden chef. So while I break down this sim, I also show you how to raise your frequency through food. Be mindful of what you're putting into your meat vessel because energy flows through our hands. That's how you can taste the love in food. Think about it. So ditch the fast food, ditch the fucking takeout unless you know where you're getting the stuff from, because you feel like crap after you eat it for a reason, because you got Chad up in that kitchen cooking your food while he's hating his fucking life and cursing while making your food. That energy ends up in your food and ends up in your fucking meat vessel. So that's why you feel like shit afterwards. But let's get you on to some kitchen game now. I'm always saying mise en place. It's the fancy French term for get your ish together before you cook. Set yourself up for success. As you can see, everything's cut and ready to go. So let's run down these ingredients real fast. Red potato is grounding, root chakra energy that provides stability and physical strength. Carrot stimulates your sacral chakra, fueling creativity and clear vision. Cucumber, high water frequency for emotional cooling and clearing of your auric field. Grated garlic, I put it in everything because it's the ultimate internal bouncer, anti-parasitic, and come on, think about it. It shields against energy vampires. Jalapeno, the fire element for the solar plexus that burns through mental fog and stagnation. Celery flushes stagnant emotional energy and keeps your spirit flexible. Red onion, a natural antibiotic that clears the gut and the auric field. Kidney beans, deeply grounded protein that supports the root chakra and ancestral connection. Fresh dill opens that throat chakra for clear communication and speaking your truth. Banana peppers, gentle heat to simulate the digestion and joy without overwhelming the system. Whole grain mustard, seeds of intention that provide mental focus, bite, and your willpower. Mayo, I need it this time. It's the glue that binds the frequencies together for smooth emotional flow. Sea salt for purification, mineral balance, and locking in the flavor frequency. Fresh cracked black pepper simulates the internal fire of the solar plexus. Smoked paprika is one of my favorite ingredients. You'll hear me say it's pretty much in everything. It's a fire and earth element combined to provide motivation and a sense of home. All these ingredients serve a function in your body. So let's put this all together and get it mixing. The full recipe is going to be in the captions, but I've shared a bunch of different potato salad recipes over the course of the last, 2 months, give or take, and that's because one, potatoes are my favorite. French fries, tots, mashed potato, I don't care. I love potatoes. But that's because it is grounding. So it makes sense as to why I crave it sometimes, because it's that grounding energy. Garlic, like I put this in everything. It's like Frank's hot sauce. It's kind of like, but why are you putting it in potato salad? But once you learn what these ingredients do for your body, then it's easy to put it in here. And as with the recipes, look, if there's an ingredient on that list that you don't like, omit it. This is my kitchen, my rules, my recipe. When you take it into your house, your rules, your recipe. On that note, have fun with it. Get in the kitchen, experiment with stuff. And before you say, no, I don't like a certain ingredient, I'm going to use the line that I used to get in culinary school. Chef used to say, well, have you tried it before? No? So then how the hell do you know if you like it or not? Okay, so we're eating it. Mind you, what I needed to taste that day was fucking beef tongue. But, you know, we swallowed it. We ate it. And it was actually good. So, just saying, don't knock something till you freaking try it. Because, you know, we've been programmed to hate some stuff. Just because we heard somebody talk about it in some way and said, oh, it's gross. Okay, so you think it's gross, but I love it. The banana peppers, I'm throwing in here a little bit of the brine because, you know, it just brings everything together. I made a potato salad and I used pickled green tomatoes in it because I was clearing the fridge out. And I was pretty surprised on how all those flavors worked together. So now you're going to give this a good mixy mix. And I like leaving it for a good like 15, 20 minutes, 20 minutes to 30 in the fridge to let all the flavors marry together, because think about it, sometimes leftovers hit better than when you first made it. So the more you know. I hope I inspire someone to get into the kitchen and start cooking. It's the fastest way to raise your goddamn frequency in this freaking sim. The higher you vibe, they can't reach you. Just saying.